Downed-Aviator MedEx.
As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, I don't have specific information about a vehicle bus named Downed-Aviator MedEx. It's possible that this is a specialized or custom vehicle designed for a specific purpose or organization, and details may not be widely available in general databases. Here are a few possibilities regarding the name. Specialized Medical Evacuation Vehicle. The term MedEx often refers to medical evacuation. If this is a Downed-Aviator MedEx, it could be a specialized vehicle designed for the evacuation and transportation of downed aviators, pilots and aircrew in emergency situations. Military or aviation use, given the reference to aviator. It's possible that this vehicle is associated with military or aviation operations. Military organizations often have specialized vehicles for medical evacuation and support. Custom or limited production. It's possible that this vehicle is a custom design or part of a limited production run, and information about it may be specific to the organization or entity that commissioned it. To get detailed information about the Downed-Aviator MedEx, you may want to consider the following steps. Contact the manufacturer if there's a specific manufacturer associated with this vehicle. Reaching out to them directly would be the best way to get accurate and detailed information. Military or aviation organizations. If the vehicle is associated with military or aviation operations, contacting relevant organizations or authorities involved in aviation medicine or search and rescue operations could provide more details. Specialized vehicle dealers. If this is a commercially available vehicle, specialized vehicle dealerships or suppliers catering to military and emergency services may have information. Drift Trike. Drift trikes are tricycles that have low-traction rear wheels with surfaces of hard plastic, often PVC. They are designed to drift by intentionally initiating loss of traction to the rear wheels and counter-steering to negotiate corners. They are usually ridden on paved roads with steep downhill grades, corners, and switchbacks. The origins of drift trikes come from California in the USA. Usage. Smooth roads are preferred to coarse chip-sealed roads, as coarse surfaces tend to wear rear wheels faster, create a rougher ride, and even reduce drifting ability. Riders gather most of their momentum through gravity, but many trike drifters choose to employ a freewheeling, pedaled front wheel, which makes for a more versatile trike. The slick rear wheels are commonly made from a hard plastic such as PVC. Proper drift trike wheels can also be created by sliding PVC or polyethylene pipe over deflated pneumatic wheels, and then re-inflating them to lock them in place. In addition to the slick rear wheels, the key design attributes of a drift trike include a solid fixed beam go-kart style rear axle forcing both rear wheels to spin at the same rate. This promotes the trike to slide, a short wheelbase, distance between the front and rear axle, to allow the rider to initiate a slide and maintain the slide easily. A larger front wheel and smaller rear go-kart style wheels, a steering system with a large degree of lock to allow the rider to control the slide without spinning, and finally a low center of gravity to give the vehicle better stability. Beck's V12 motorcycle. We spotted this Lamborghini-powered motorcycle last weekend at the Summit Racing Equipment Atlanta Motorama. There was little info on the bike at the show, but a bit of homework taught us it belongs to Georgia resident Chuck Beck. According to Autoblog, a friend of Beck's gave him the engine after his Lamborghini Espada died in a fire. Beck married the V12 to a 3-speed Volkswagen transmission, and stuffed the package into a custom motorcycle frame with custom linkage to steer. The radiator is in the back of the bike to get heat behind the driver. Caffeine and Octane featured Beck and the bike in a short video interview, below. Once you're up and moving, it handles pretty much like any motorcycle would, Beck said in the video. It's not geared to go real fast, only about 140 miles an hour. It goes without saying I'm kind of proud of the way it turned out. It's been a crowd pleaser anywhere it's gone. And we hope to play with it for a while until the next project comes up. In the meantime, we'll continue playing and maybe I'll learn to ride the thing. Patrol Track Mini. To obtain more information about this Patrol Track Mini, you may consider the following steps. Manufacturer inquiry, if there's a specific manufacturer associated with this vehicle. Reaching out to them directly would be the most direct way to get accurate and detailed information. Manufacturers often have product specifications, brochures, and other materials available. Dealership or distributor contact. If the Patrol Track Mini is available through dealerships or distributors, contacting them could provide details about the vehicle's features, specifications, and potential use cases. Online reviews and forums. Sometimes, individuals who have experience with niche or specialized vehicles discuss them in online forums or reviews. Searching for Patrol Track Mini in online communities might yield user experiences and additional information. Specialized vehicle publications, magazines or online publications that focus on specialized vehicles, security, patrol, or similar industries might have articles or features on the Patrol Track Mini. Trade shows and exhibitions. If the vehicle is part of a specific industry, checking if it has been showcased at trade shows or exhibitions related to that industry could provide insights. MedEx Vengeance. The MedEx XL is the outcome of developments leading back to 2008 with our first production machine. We have been testing hydrostatics and engine options for over 10 years, with most of the development time spent with utility companies and rental fleets. Each component has been built, refined, and produced to meet demanding applications. XL utilizes either a 40 horsepower or 57 horsepower gas EFI engine which directly drives the hydrostatic pumps. It has the ability to instantly go from forward to reverse and counter-rotate on a dime. The power plant has the ability to haul 2,000 pounds inside the vehicle and tow 2,500 pounds. XL is a true workhorse. Engine options. We offer the XL in 2 different engines. Please note if you wish to have our optional automotive-style heater, a liquid-cooled engine is required. XL40, 40 horsepower Briggs & Stratton gasoline air-cooled carbureted. XL57, 40 horsepower Kubota gasoline liquid-cooled EFI. XL57 steering wheel controls. Our goal is to have a diverse range of products that meets everyone's needs. If the traditional dual steering levers will not work for your application, we offer an automotive-style steering wheel with gas and brake pedal. This is an excellent option for rental fleets or operators with disabilities. Thor. The high-selling truck, a 1984 Peterbilt 359 Ultra Custom TT Crew Cab called Thor 24. Hammered sold at $12 million, which was boosted to its $13.2 million final price once the auction house's 10% buyer's premium was added. The auction catalogue boasts many superlatives for the truck, calling it the world's greatest custom heavy truck and the most powerful big rig ever built. Those may well be true, with builder Mike Herrer instilling the truck with not one, but 2 14.0-litre V12 Detroit diesel engines for a claimed total of 3,974 horsepower. The truck also features a customized independent suspension, a manual gearbox, and power disc brakes. The stretched Peterbilt chassis measures a whopping 44 feet long and weighs 32,000 pounds. But worldwide claims a top speed of 130 miles per hour when the nitrous boost system is activated. In addition to the engine's 12 superchargers, there are also 12-foot drag parachutes to help slow down Thor after max runs. Gordon T-Max Trike. The Yamaha TMAX, or T-Max, series of maxi scooters has been manufactured by Yamaha Motor Company for the European market since its debut at July 2000 press events in Naples, Italy and Iwata, Japan. 15. Combining motorcycle performance with the convenience and flexibility for commuting of a scooter. Following the 1996 success of Yamaha's first maxi scooter, the YP250 Majesty, in Europe, and especially in Italy, Yamaha began work on a new European commuter, 15, a larger displacement scooter-type concept. Their objective was to create a maxi scooter suitable for high-speed motorways, such as the German Autobahn system or the Autostrade of Italy, and better suited to European physiques than the Majesty. ARCA Board. The electric ducted fans, EDF, together with the controllers and the batteries, occupy 90% of the space inside the board. This generates a significant amount of heat that is dissipated using a high-performance cooling system. The 36 power fans ensure that even in the case of multiple motor failures, there are enough motors remaining to take over to keep riding. The ARCA board is equipped with onboard sensors that maintain it 30 centimeters above the ground and limit its speed to 20 kilometers per hour. The hoverboard senses the user's weight and automatically adjusts the thrust so that the distance to the ground remains constant. Should the user accidentally fall off, the hoverboard will immediately power off. Composite structure. ARCA board uses aerospace-grade composite materials to create a lightweight though stiff and resilient structure to house the 36 electric motors and batteries.